Morning, my dear class. How are you, all of you? Hope so all are fine. So let's start subject English with the lesson number 1, Lara the turtle. Reading. Lara was a baby turtle who lived with her parents in a small pond near a farm. Lara was a baby turtle who lived with her parents in a small pond. She had a little green head, 4 tiny round feet, and a small tail. On her back, Lara had a smooth yellow and brown shell. This is the description of Lara. The shell was Lara's home and she carried it with her wherever she went. Lara could tuck, push, fold, or turn her head and leg right into it whenever she wanted. Lara had many friends living on the farm. She enjoyed playing with them. She soon found that she was different from them. No one of her friends wore a shell on their back. They all could run and jump around, and Lara could watch them unhappily. She could not run as fast as they could, so she began to dislike herself. One day she told her mother, I don't like myself at all. I want to jump and run to like my friends. You can see on a screen. Lara told her mother she don't like herself and she want to jump and run like her friend. Mother turtle scolded, told someone angrily that they are wrong. You can see on a screen, Mother turtle scolded Lara. No, you must not dislike yourself. We are indeed too lucky to have our cell. Cell means, my dear class, cover. It gives us safe place to hide when danger is near. Oh, I don't like myself. I am going to find a way to get rid of it, said Lara. Lara went to ask her friend for a help. Lara's friend listened carefully to her problem. They all wanted to help her. Rusty the farmhouse dog barked loudly to scare the cell off her back. You can see on the screen, Rusty the farmhouse dog barked loudly to scare the cell off her back. But Lara's cell did not move at all. Tom the cat fetched a strong stick and began to hit the cell. Fetch went and got something, but the cell did not break. Mother duck and her duckling brought a pair of scissors, but alas, they could not cut open the cell. You can see that Mother duck and her duckling brought a pair of scissors and they started to cutting the cell, but it not cut. Lara swab, cried loudly, making a short sound. I will never be free of myself. A few days later, on a sunny morning, sunny full of exposed, Lara and her friends were playing on the farm. Suddenly, a large red fox with a long bushy tail jumped over the fence. The fox ran quickly forward with a gleaming eyes, shining. How the animals runs! The fox was quick and cunning. He soon caught a few animals and killed them. Lara watched all this in a fear. She hid inside her cell. Later, When all was quiet, she poked her head out of her shell. Poke? To push something with a finger. तिने तिचं डोकं असं तिच्या कवचमधून बाहेर काढलं. She went back home and told her mother the entire incident. Incident, my dear class? Something that happened. Mother Turtle nodded wisely. What did I told you, my dear baby? She said. Now you can understand why you are lucky to have a shell on your back. Lara nodded and hugged her mother to herself. She said, "You are the best shell in the world. I will never want to leave you again." In this way, Lara was realized the importance of her shell. It gives her safe place to hide when danger is near. Do you enjoy this lesson, my dear class? Yes? Good. So let's start. Answer the following question. Describe Lara. Lara was a baby turtle. She had a little green head, 4 tiny round feet, and a small tail. On her back, Lara had a smooth yellow and brown shell. How was Lara different from her friend? She was different from them. No one of her friends wore a shell on their back. Why are turtles lucky to have a shell? Turtles are lucky to have a shell. It gives them a safe place to hide when danger is near. How did Rusty try to help Lara remove her shell? Rusty, the farmhouse dog, barked loudly to scare the shell off her back. How did the duck family try to help Lara? Mother Duck and her duckling brought a pair of scissors. This way, the duck family tried to help Lara. Who jumped over the fence? What did he do? A fox jumped over the fence. The fox dashed forward with the gleaming eyes. He soon caught a few animals and killed them. What did Lara do when she saw the fox? Lara hid inside her shell when she saw the fox. Homework? Who said this line and to whom? I will never be free of my shell. Lara the baby turtle said to her friends. You must not dislike your shell. Lara's mother said to Lara. You are the best shell in the world. Lara the turtle said herself. Match the column to complete the sentence. The fox was quick and cunning. Lara began to dislike her shell. The turtle family lived in a pond. Tom the cat hit the shell with stick. Mother Duck brought a pair of scissors. Thank you, my dear class. Stay at home, be safe. Before that, Hots, Lara's friend come out to help her. Do you help your friends in a difficulty? Yes, you help your friends in a difficulty? Good. Okay, my dear class. Thank you. Bye-bye. Stay at home, be safe. Bye-bye.